Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying essentials so the fix works. First, update your Ps5 to the latest firmware. This prevents known bugs. Once done, enable microphone and party chat recording under settings right arrow captures and broadcasts so audio sources are available. Then check the game and chat volumes and ensure the DualSense output volume isn't muted. Make sure headphones aren't forced off. If using external capture hardware, confirm its input is set to the Ps5 output channel before proceeding. Now you adjust recording options and run a test. Go to Captures and set clip format and length, then toggle Include Microphone Audio on. This explicitly records controller mic data. Record a short 15-30 second clip while speaking to verify capture. If you use an external capture card, ensure HDMI audio is passed through and the capture device is selected in its software. Once you see waveforms or hear audio in the preview, you've confirmed the signal path. Otherwise, inspect cables and input assignments. Finish by saving correct settings and addressing remaining issues. If clips still lack sound, export and re-encode on the Ps5 media gallery or a PC editor to fix codec mismatches. Reset privacy and chat permissions to allow party audio capture, and toggle the microphone inclusion off and on to force a refresh. If problems persist, swap headsets or test another controller to isolate hardware. One key troubleshooting tip: re-record a brief clip after each change so you can pinpoint exactly when audio returns.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.